You just didn't want to come back.
Keep your squad in the fight.
I didn't want to lose my luggage.
Your team leader.
All right.
Yeah, but you know,
Point
after
for your
you
squad,
get a
soldier.
It's
flight.
a lot of bread, bro. I'm saying, had turns lock in. You don't really like me at that time. I would text you. I'd call you, just no reply.
Yeah, you called me at fucking like 9 a.m.
Did I? Oh my god.
I mean, we shoot.
I think I did the majority of that damage.
Marking the rest of that squad on your
Oh,
tag
God.
map.
No, I was kidding.
Man, the subs, so.
It's all good.
Now on, boys, I'm grabbing this shit.
Supply boxes
Yes, sir.
marked. Secure those locations.
You heard me?
From now on, this is his last
supply
one.
box down.
Wait, what?
2
No,
remain.
gee, bro. You gotta get Crinks in. I thought Crinks was down to come.
Oh, is he down to come? I want the crinkles lobbies.
Oh, we didn't ask him.
Well, he's right behind you.
Yeah, he's playing pubs.
Chat, can y'all go to his chat and see if he wants to play?
We got money.
Located the rest of the
Bro, just turn around, dickhead.
He doesn't hear me.
Yeah, just tap him on the shoulder.
Kind of far.
Mortar strike on the way.
Oh, there is a tournament tomorrow too.
What? What's in there? Hold on.
It's just a Twitter one, I believe. I wish you.
What?
What? What?
How am I not?
Alright, lock in tomorrow on Twitter tournament. 10 a.m.
What
start.
is it?
Rebirth.
10 a.m.? Never mind.
See, 10 a.m. bro. 10.
10 a.m. Are you
So it's noon. So it's noon.
Hey, what is it?
It's a wee buff.
look like fucking
It's a wee buff?
Bro, you are so good at doing that shit. It's like low-key alarming. Oh my god.
I'm chasing D.
You literally remind me of good
Another one,
groups.
another one. No.
dropping into the AO.
Are you okay?
All supply boxes secured. Well,
What if you are good groups?
There's hella people below me.
marking the rest of them.
Why is there so many heads? Fucking suck. Fuck, I'm dead. I didn't touch it.
Sound like a
UAV is exiting
zombie.
Gas is inbound.
Holy shit. Can I get over here? Oh shit. I know that.
You've got reinforcements inbound.
Day one hop up, my brother.
We changing too much. Not.
Hit my butt.
Ah.
It's
Ah.
on the back, it's on the back.
Oh, Hector. Oh,
Yeah, of course. There's a thing right there, bro. He's one-y.
not my goat. Let me see this. Dead. Pushing our
Time for
bottom.
vengeance. You're
Yeah, on us.
redeploying.
Front door, I think.
Wants a fucking throw. I'm gonna watch a movie tonight.
What are we watching?
I don't know, whatever's on Netflix.
No, Wunny!
I
Oh!
wish you would watch movies with Diffle. I remember I tried to get you to watch a movie. Because we're not that stage anymore, right, G, you know?
Alright, bet.
We're on like a restart.
Gotta come back. Yeah.
Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them
I think
down.
that's how it really hurt our relationship, you know?
Yeah. Only you didn't
Do that.
do all that.
I didn't do anything.
Good though.
I didn't do anything to you.
Yeah, you're right. You didn't do me bad like Adrian.
I did not, yeah, see that's it. I didn't do you like Aiden.
The same thing.
Not really.
I don't know, because I actually chose not to play those, but the other one I
Yeah,
was forced
see.
not to.
I like that you know now that you know, took accountability for that.
Taking effective fire!
Not two. Holy.
Dang,
On the
that's
boot.
crazy. How do you feel that Adrian basically just told you that he thinks Aiden is his daddy?
Kind of fucked.
He said, that's my goat. Biffle down.
Use your tac map to hunt down the
I was like, bro, I found someone new. Like, And we're about to become the best duos.
New and young.
Take down the f***ing
So young and
villains.
fast.
And then he just said, I
don't know, man.
I'm out. I'm going back. What's up?
Am I on goat for anything?
What?
Goat coach. The goat. The goat.
Take it.
Take it.
By you, D.
What?
Sensei's out.
Land.
You know how I explain to you, Hector? To people? They're like, why'd you go move in with that guy, bro? Crazy guy, slaps his ass. I say, that's my mentor. Like that. True story.
Holy Blaze.
How's that a glaze calling him my mentor, bro? He's literally 30. Like, you know, I'm just kidding.
Damn. There you go.
That's good.
Okay,
You like that? You like that?
Taking effective fire.
They're not getting.
Dude, when I get shot across the map, it should make me shit off.
Oh my guy's in the water.
Squad made it to the safe zone.
Oh.
He's gonna
Right
fuck you. He's gonna fuck you.
The hell do you get up like that? Dude, we should go swimming.
Bloody fire.
I can't swim, bro.
Really?
No, I never really,
Went to a boiler?
yeah, not really.
They're fucking. Like, is there water parks in Texas? I feel like Texas would have huge water
Yeah.
parks.
I haven't been to one since.
You know, D, I need to come back, bro. You need to live a little.
Think so?
Yeah.
I mean, yo, we live.
Nah, he needs
Turn
to.
up.
He needs to go see the world.
It's a little repetitive.
That's the last battle.
Marking the rest of them.
Yo, but does he slay our tier 1 baby?
UAV is exiting the
Yeah, that's really, so I remember I gotta set up this AC in the back
Stay
there.
alive, stay alive.
Buy station prices have been reduced.
Trust.
Enemies
Hello.
are dropping into the area.
Watch
Watch
out.
the skies.
This is homie.
Only 25
Why did they
remain.
give the weed character Captain Price
Crazy, D.
Cause he was smoking.
in the corner, top?
How you call me?
Dead. Landing on you.
Multiple.
20 on your roof.
Resurgence is about to end.
On the water. Should I wipe?
Yeah.
LTV at this time. The enemy is no longer tracking you. You lost them.
Come on, like underneath this shit.
Drop it here.
Watch all that. That's right, buddy.
Marking the rest of that squad on your tack. Go get hunting.
Holy fuck, look at prison, bro.
And we located the rest of them.
Any of y'all have multiple?
Did you guys ever do like the 60 days in thing? Have you guys ever watched that show?
What's that?
Oh, yeah.
Enemies
Where,
dropping
like
into
they would
the AO.
basically go into prisons for 60 days and they would basically opt on what's happening.
Airstrike inbound.
What
All
the
squad
hell?
members are
They
in
really
the
did.
safe zone.
They wanted to see like how they were, you know, sneaking in the contraband or how they
I've
were
seen
doing
the
it.
ones where they get like kids.
Oh,
What's it
I
called?
scared
Like,
straight.
Scared.
Get
I've seen that
You're just
shit.
like, oh my god, I'm 14 years so scared right now.
What are you saying, buddy? Guys here. Yeah, bro, I don't even know, like, what the fuck is this, bro?
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
That's because used to be thugs, bro. So like, ah.
You've
Yeah,
got
everybody's just under
reinforcements
this.
inbound.
Oh, in front of us, two. Cracked one. Cracked the back head, knocked the back head.
No more second chance.
Dingle
Close,
squirt.
20 dead.
Hostile airstrike
Good PA.
Guys up.
LTV at this time.
Fuck it, let's do it.
Keep passion.
Alright.
There's three on me.
Oh, he's outside?
I just really want you to win.
Guys, can you help me?
Dropping ammo here.
This guy not right here.
So bad. I
Yes.
hate you guys.
I'm in a war right now.
Check your
Fuck,
money.
I'm
Damn, I'm
weak.
killing you. There, slide out, slide out.
Nine.
Right.
Where they shooting at? Above us in the cafeteria.
Oh,
Are you up there?
Ooh, first 48 was a great show too. Oh my god.
oh, it's 3 here. I'm not even shooting. I don't know where the
gone
fuck
now.
they ran.
I'm the railing one, bro.
I feel like I still hear him.
I hear something.
Look at the tower, look at the tower, look at the tower.
Oh my god, they're on the roof. I'm looking at the tower.
Longbow 3-1, targeting.
Sniping across the yellow building. Oh, roof is shooting me. 20. Holy fuck.
I don't have ammo though.
Saying that shit.
Is it very high?
One before, yeah, roof, one before.
UAV is exiting the area.
Are there?
Double D's.
Semtex incoming.
Made. Okay, run at him.
Kinda.
Good for one, baby.
On your feet, soldier.
Gas is closing in.
Oh no,
Advise you
no.
head to the safe room. Got a lot of ground to cover.
I'm just pop a UE. I have a PA for these guys.
I was on the tower looking down.
I'm gonna pay these guys. I'm gonna get on top of the tower.
Copy that.
Wait, is that their PA or is that mine?
That's yours.
Okay. Bro, how did it?
PA.
Yeah, it just went the wrong way. Like what? That's
got
the
one.
end.
Got one
No,
window.
he was just looking for me. Ooh, I made it though.
Yeah, they're above us.
I got one.
Yeah.
Fucking burning them. I'm burning
Fuck
them
it.
alive.
Fuck it.
No.
Crack one, Hector?
I left that. I went precision.
Heard that.
There's 3 here. Natty, guys. Natty.
Some smoke.
Go ahead.
You're losing ground. Move it. The safe zone is far from your location. Get moving.
Got one mid floor on me.
Dude, I'm ripped.
The roof
I'm
weak.
going up. Just come up.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the right. Cut these kids off first.
Weak.
Got that kid.
Playing up.
Oh, close. Blue bunny crip.
At the full.
Right on our left side.
Got us. Dead. On the hill.
It's a crip, buddy. 2 on 2.
Last one. Oh, no, it's 2.
Don't tweak, my child.
I'm tweaking up the company.
Here. I hit the other one. Weak. Left side, low. Right there on left. On left.
20.
Oh my god.
That's a win.
Oh, fuck.
Guys,
Let's go, man.
you're so good, bro.
Who am I? I just really don't want them to win.
Shifty, we play one more. Can you please play with me?
Come on, bro. You are so...
You gotta play with me. Please, Chrissy. I have no one else to play with.
Bro, how do you do it so good, bro? I actually tried. I can't. Like, I can't. How do you do it? How?
Will you please? Will you please with a Terry on top?